Energy. Energy is fundamental to everything we do. And here, this is baby Lau number one, I think when she's around two-ish, and she's just playing on a slide out in California with her uncle here. And if you think about it, when you play on a playground, it's all about energy transformations. How do you play on a slide? What's the right way to do it? The kids always want to do it the wrong way. You're supposed to go up the what? The little stairway, right? And then you go down the slide. No biggie, right? When you go up a slide, you store up a lot of what kind of energy as you lift your body? Which slides are more fun? Like the wussy little baby slides? Are those honking like 20-footers, right? The big ones, yeah? Because you store up a lot of, starts with a P, right? Potential energy, right? As you lift your body against gravity. And then you transform that potential energy to kinetic energy, right? So obviously, where you're going the fastest usually on a slide, unless you're goofing off, putting your feet out and all that, at the bottom, right? And in real life, you lose a little bit of energy to like friction. So here she's trying to figure it out, so her uncle's got to give her a hand, kind of bring her up, and like, well, you actually have to sit up, but she doesn't quite get that yet. And then it's like, okay, like, whoa. But anyway, does it take work to lift like a toddler up a slide? It does, right? Actually, I got tired, so I'm like, I just told my brother-in-law, you take her. Like, my arms are tired, you know? Like, again, Daddy? Like, no, you do it. So anyway, eventually she starts to figure it out. So if you think about it, the first thing you have to do is you have to lift your body up against gravity. Does that take energy? It does, right? What's that called? Force over distance is called? It's called work energy. And the bigger the kid, the more energy it takes. The higher the slide, the more energy it takes. Makes sense, right? And then that potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. But in real life, you don't get it all back. Because where do you lose a lot? You lose a lot of that energy to what? On your rear end. To friction, exactly. So eventually she kind of learns the, I'm proud of that, I taught her that. The sled on your belly method, right? Because you actually get a little bit less friction. Because if you're kind of spreading out your body weight, you know what I'm talking about? She starts to figure it out there. There we go, yeah, the belly slide technique. And then it's all sorts of mayhem and fun there. But anyway, from a very young age, intuitively, you kind of understand that energy comes from somewhere, it goes somewhere.